Today we are making Yamarita and omelette.
Add blended pepper into your egg and whisk it. Add onion. Add chopped tomatoes. Add spring onion. Add green pepper. Whisk everything together. Pour it into the oil and fry it. Make sure you scatter it so it looks scrambled. And that's how to make omelette egg. How to make Yamarita. Add a little salt to your egg and whisk it. Put your yam into all-purpose flour. Repeat the process to all the yam. Let your oil be hot. Yam into your egg. Make sure the egg covers it from bottom to top and put it straight into the oil. Repeat the process for all the yam. Flip the yam on all sides so it doesn't get burnt. When it's cooked or fully fried, you take it out of the oil. And that's how to make your Yamarita. Thanks for watching.